Relationships are one of the most complex and beautiful things we experience in life. But sometimes, even with all the love and effort, it can feel like we just can't get on the same page. Like we're trying to connect, but keep hitting walls. And what if the issue isn't you or your partner, but something deeper? Something written in the stars? Astrology can shed light on what's happening beneath the surface. Understanding your partner's zodiac sign doesn't just give you insight into their personality, it can help you uncover their deepest needs, fears, and desires. Let's think about this for a moment. Every zodiac sign has its own unique way of expressing love and being loved. For example, if you're in a relationship with an Aries fire sign, you might notice that they need constant excitement and challenge to feel fulfilled. They thrive on competition and spontaneity. If you're a Taurus earth sign, on the other hand, you might need security, routine, and comfort. And it's not just about what you need, it's about understanding their deeper emotional patterns. Air signs like Gemini and Libra, they're all about communication, constant, deep, and engaging conversations that make them feel seen. Water signs, such as Cancer and Pisces, need emotional depth and nurturing. They're the type to bond through shared vulnerabilities. And when we understand these traits, suddenly, the way we communicate with our partners can shift. Instead of expecting them to love the way we do, we can start to meet them where they are. We create space for them to express what they need, and in turn, we start receiving the love they're offering, but in a way that speaks to us. I remember when I first started using astrology to understand my relationships better, it completely shifted the way I saw myself and my partners. Suddenly, all those little misunderstandings made sense. I wasn't just too needy or too distant. I was acting from a place of my own needs based on my sign. And when I realized that my partner's needs were rooted in their sign too, it was like the universe gave me this incredible tool for deeper connection. It was like stepping out of the fog and seeing clearly for the first time. Astrology doesn't tell you what's right or wrong. It just gives you the tools to understand. The more you understand your partner's emotional world, the better equipped you are to nurture and grow that relationship. So ask yourself, what does your partner need according to their zodiac? And how can you show up for them in a way that resonates with their soul? If you felt like this resonated with you, hit that like button and subscribe for more ways to deepen your connections with the people around you. Until next time, keep growing, keep loving, and keep learning.